Hello. Today, I am going to show you the best scalping strategies for small account. It is very profitable yet simple and might take your trading career to the next level. In this video, I will present you a 5-minute Lux Algo crypto scalping method. I will be combining 2 free Tradingview indicators for this strategy. The strategy will be backtested 51 times and results will be shown at the end of video. The buy-sell signals Tradingview indicator might help you get a sweet pretty girl like her. The strategy can be used for forex, stocks, and crypto. Hello friends, welcome back to another Future Ways video.
This is the chart of optimism, OPUSDT. The best time frames for this scalping strategy is 5 minutes, but it can be used on other time frames such as 3 minutes, 15 minutes, and 4 hours. Without wasting any time, let's add indicators into the chart. Go to the indicator tab, search for BWMA, a useful MA weighting function from Alex Brewer. Add the first indicator into the chart. Let's go to the settings and I will explain every parameters to you. For the length, this one, it means that we are tuning the period of moving average. For this, I'll be setting it to 100. For the negative lag and positive lags, it means that this one will decrease the lag of moving average while this one will increase it. So there are 2 ways of settings. The first is, this one is equal to this one. Let's change it to 4. Let's see what happened to this area. You see that the curve increased a bit, so not much big difference, right? But if we increase it to another setting, which is 4 and 2, look, the moving average is shifted to the left, meaning to say it decreases the lag of the moving average. Okay, so we'll be using this indicator setting. If you fail to understand, do rewatch this part. Look closely at this area, okay? I will be changing this to 4 and this one to 2. Look what happened. Do you see the thing shift to the left? Now let's add our second indicator to the chart. Search for Fibonacci progression with breaks by Lux Algo. Add our second indicator into the chart. For this, go to the settings. On the style tab, we switch off these two. As you can see, nothing will be changed. And we switch off the target, which is the green, and stop, which is the red. And we also close off the values in the status line. For the input, this method you can have either manual or ATR, but we'll be using only ATR. So for these two, let's see what will happen when we change this to 3. The buy signals will be gone. So we change it back to 1. And for the sequence length, if what happens when tune it higher, the buy signal will be gone too. This one will increase the number of buy and sell signal. So we will be using the default for a 3. Now let me teach you how to use the indicator. For buy signal, it needs to show a B, and this one will be the first target and this 3 will be the second target. For a sell signal, we will see this red color thing and we will be seeing this S for sell. And this one will be the first target indicated by 1, second, and the third target. Now I'll be teaching you how to take a buy signal. For buys, the price needs to be above this moving average to indicate that we are on an uptrend. And then we need to have three simple rules to follow. Okay, so let's zoom in. Do you see this B? This is a buy signal, so I'll be taking a buy on this candle and setting the stop loss below this moving average or below this candle. And the first target will be, do you see the number 1 here? This is the first target and this 3 will be our second target. Okay. Now when we are in profit, we want to move our stop loss from here to here. That's it, so simple. Now let me guide you how to take a sell signal. For sell signal, it needs to be in this red area, and the most important thing, there are 3 rules to follow. The first is that the price needs to be below this red moving average, and the second is that it needs to have this S red sell, and the third condition is that the candle must be red. So I'll be taking a shot at this area, and the stop loss is set above this candle or above this moving average, and our target is, do you see this number 1 here? We'll be setting our target there, and our last target will be setting at the number 3. But When we reach target 1, we want to move our stop loss to break even or above this candle so that we secure our profits.
Now, let's practice the strategy. The win rate is 82.3%. To watch scalping video with pretty girl, check this video.